Blue Lagoon Condominiums is a 4-building property located in Miami-Dade County. The building offers many amenities like a resort-style pool, jacuzzi, clubhouse, beautiful views, gym, peaceful walkway, and so much more. In 2018, an unlicensed contractor was paid $376,000 to replace the roofs. No guarantee for workmanship or materials. Look at the condition of the roofs on Building 1, which, by the way, was the one in better condition out of the 4 buildings. The prior board had obtained a quote, and the best quote came in at $3 million. Think about the high assessment that we would have gotten had the prior board been in place. I know that special assessments are political suicide, but this board couldn't risk continuing to have water seeping into apartments below and through our walls, causing further damage to the buildings. Plus, they were considering an increase in the maintenance by 28%. Think about the amount of money that we would have been assessed. The current board, with its knowledgeable president, was able to negotiate a top-notch contract with great materials, too technical and involving for the scope of this video, with a licensed roofing company for $1.435 million. That savings alone is enough to warrant the salary of a chief engineer. It takes time, knowledge of systems, and materials to carry out a project the size of Blue Lagoon. Now let's take a look at the clean aesthetics of Building 1's roofs. They even created a walkway so that workers can go up there and have some place to walk and not step on the roof itself and not cause any damage. Homeowners, I invite you, contact the office and schedule a guided tour of the finished roofs. You will see the hard work being done by this board and not believe what other people are saying without merit. They have to see everything that's been done and things that needed to be prioritized, resulting in a huge savings for the association and homeowners alike.